Mbote, hello and welcome to today's lesson. Now, in our previous lessons, we have seen how to count numbers from 0 to 100. So in the next few lessons, I'll take you through the steps of counting numbers between 101 and 1000. So in this particular lesson, I want to show you how to count numbers between 100 and 200. All right. So this is what you're going to do in this lesson. We will not count each and every digit, but I'm going to give you a general guide on how to go about counting or saying numbers in Lingala for numbers that are between 100 and 200. Now, to start with, you will remember that the number 100 we said is kama. So kama is 100. So if I now want to say 101, I'll say that I have 100 and then I have the number 1. So normally we just add the way we've been doing for the previous numbers. So I'll say kama moko na moko, that I have 100 and I have the number 1. So 101 is kama moko na moko. Then kama moko na mibale is 102. Kama moko na misato is 103. Kama moko na mine is 104. So already you see there's a pattern that I have kama moko na. So for the numbers between 1 and 9, we just add those numbers. So like 108 will be kama moko na mwambe. So that is 108. And then 109 will be kama moko na libua. Kama moko na libua. That is 109. Then for 110, I'll say kama moko na zomi, because kama is 100. Kama moko is 100. And then zomi is 10. So it will be kama moko na zomi. So if I now want to say 113, I'll say kama moko na zomi na misato. That I have 100, then I have 10, then I have 3. Kama moko na zomi na misato. Kama moko na zomi na libua. That I have 100, and then I have 10, and then I have 9. Kama moko na zomi na libua. And then 120 will be kama moko na tuku mibale. Kama moko na tuku mibale. So kama moko is 100, tuku mibale is 20. Just like we saw for counting numbers between 1 and 99. So therefore 128 will be kama moko na tuku mibale na mwambe. Kama moko na tuku mibale na mwambe. That is 128. So 129 will be kama moko na tuku mibale na libua. Kama moko na tuku mibale na libua. So that is 129. Then 130 will be kama moko na tuku misato. 140 will be kama moko na tuku mine. Kama moko na tuku mine. That is 140. So you see, the moment you say 100, then you say the tens that you have, then the number on top of the tens. So 146 will be kama moko na tuku mine na motoba. 146. Then if I want to say 151, it will be kama moko na tuku mitano na moko. Kama moko na tuku mitano na moko. That is 151. So that's what to do. You just need to have the 100, then you add on the tens, or the multiples of tens, then you add on the last digit. So 161 will therefore be kama moko na tuku motoba na moko. All right? Then 180 will be kama moko na tuku mwambe. Kama moko na tuku mwambe. That will be 180. 191 will be kama moko na tuku libwa na moko. Kama moko na tuku libwa na moko. And then 199 will be kama moko na tuku libwa na libwa. Kama moko na tuku libwa na libwa. Then 200 will be kama mibale. 200 is kama mibale. So therefore I want you to practice with what I've given you as a general guide or skeleton. I want you to say the following numbers in Lingala. 125, 135, 149, 156, 163, 174, 187. And then the last number that I want you to try is 198. So in our next lesson, we will see how to count numbers from 200 to 300. Remember to subscribe to my channel, but much more importantly, share. Thank you.